If you've caught the news lately, you've heard about the most advanced treatment to get your best and brightest smile.
It's redefining the way orthodontics is done.
The new cutting-edge braces that have teens and probably their parents all across the country smiling.
Technology has opened a new frontier in orthodontics.
He's talking about SureSmile.
SureSmile is redefining the way orthodontics is done. It combines the doctor's expertise with the power of 3D visualization and the precision of advanced robotics. It means moving from this to this, quicker than you thought possible. Why do patients choose orthodontists who use SureSmile? For straight teeth and a great smile with less time in braces. How does SureSmile help your orthodontist reduce your treatment time? You might think that your teeth will move faster, but as we learned in geometry, the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. With SureSmile, your orthodontist first takes a detailed image of your teeth. Those pictures are then transformed into a 3D image on a computer screen. The orthodontist can see and visualize your teeth, not only from the front as with conventional orthodontics, but from all angles to better plan how your teeth should move to give you a beautiful smile. SureSmile software calculates the wire bends needed to more efficiently and directly move your teeth towards their proper place based on your doctor's plan. That means you spend less time wearing braces. How fast is SureSmile? SureSmile has been shown to decrease treatment time by 1/3 on average when compared to traditional braces. A SureSmile orthodontist can have the average patient out of braces about 8 months earlier. You'll have fewer trips to the orthodontist and less hassle in your busy schedule. It's all possible because once your doctor designs your smile, SureSmile uses the doctor's instructions to create a customized arch wire that is inserted into your brackets to move teeth towards their finishing positions. A SureSmile wire is made of a unique shape memory alloy. It's bent just for you by a robot at extremely high temperatures, permanently embedding the doctor's prescription in the wire. You see, in conventional treatment, a series of wires are manually bent using pliers, a less precise way to move teeth. But with SureSmile, all the bends to move your teeth are made in one wire. When it's placed in your mouth, your own body temperature activates it. Your teeth move with robotic precision along a more efficient path to their finishing positions, giving you straight and beautiful teeth in less time. A great smile has lifetime benefits. The final position of your teeth is important for oral health. The better they fit together, the more stable they'll be, which means less wear and tear, and in many cases, less dental work as you age. How does an orthodontist know how well your teeth fit together? Most orthodontists evaluate the quality of results by measuring tooth-to-tooth alignment using plaster models. This evaluation is done manually, is very time-consuming, and only performed on select patients. However, with SureSmile technology, your orthodontist is able to do this for every patient before finalizing your prescription. As a matter of fact, an independent study published in the World Journal of Orthodontics found that patients treated with SureSmile experienced overall reduced treatment time and better quality results than those treated conventionally. For many patients, SureSmile wasn't just an easy choice, it was the only choice. Better results in less time. That's why thousands of patients have chosen orthodontists who use SureSmile.